So, good afternoon, everyone. We'll start with the convocation ceremony. So, I welcome you all to this convocation ceremony for the F.MAS. And it's my proud privilege and honor to extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest for the day, Dr. Shelley Oberoi, whose presence today actually adds immense prestige and significance to this our convocation ceremony. Dr. Shelley's journey is actually very inspiring blend of academic excellence, professional achievement, and dedicated public service. So she holds a PhD in commerce from IGNOU. She has completed her executive business management program from IIM Kozhikode and has also earned her master's degree in commerce, besides being a graduate from the Delhi University. Interestingly, before entering into the public service, she has served as an assistant professor at the University of Delhi, contributing significantly to teaching, research, and the development of young minds. So, her distinguished career has seen her serve as a mayor of Delhi, and she is currently serving as the councillor from the East Patel Nagar Delhi constituency, where she has demonstrated leadership, vision, and an unwavering commitment to public services. What makes her journey particularly remarkable is the seamless integration of scholarship and public service, a combination that exemplifies the values of lifelong learning, leadership, and social responsibility. So, as all of you are going to receive your F.MAS certification today and are going to embark upon a path that also requires continuous learning, technical excellence, and ethical practice, and of course, the service to the society, Dr. Shelley Oberoi's career actually serves as a powerful reminder that education is not merely a means for professional advancement, but a foundation for meaningful contribution to the society also. So, Dr. Shelley, thank you very much for gracing the occasion. On behalf of the entire organizing committee, the World Laparoscopy Hospital, and our fellows here, we once again extend our heartfelt welcome and sincere appreciations for your presence here. So, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Shelley Oberoi.
First of all, it's a great honor and privilege to be the part of this event where we are celebrating the achievement of all the doctors and healthcare professionals on completing this advanced training session. I just got to know that many of you, most of you, are already a surgeon and a gynecologist. So that is I think, the commendable profession, because you people are not only saving the lives, you are giving birth to a new life. So many congratulations to you. Many congratulations to each and every participants who will be receiving their this completion certificates today on completing this training program. And it's truly commendable that your dedication of new learning, your dedication of new skill development is truly commendable. And I would also like to extend my appreciation to Dr. R.K. Mishra and Dr. Bhalla, and especially to Mr. Bhatia for inviting me here. And these people, your team, your hospital is really contributing a lot in the medical education, and especially creating a strong skilled healthcare community. That is really commendable. I really appreciate your this initiative. And let me tell you what Mr. Bhalla was saying, giving tips. So I did my graduation in commerce. Science ka mujhe kuch nahi malum. I'm not from the science background. So what I can just share my experience is how my journey changed. Because today the society is full of, everywhere the women is very active, and it is a women empowerment society is there. And there's a drastic change. Mr. Bhalla was asking me a few minutes back that how my life changed from an academician to a politician. So it was all my destiny who brought me here to serve the society, to serve the every individual, every resident, and every person who voted for us. So it is our responsibility. And one day it was a sudden change in my life that one day I got an opportunity to contest election, and one day I got an opportunity to serve the city of Delhi for almost 2 years as a mayor. So it was a life-changing experience for me. I have taught in Delhi University. I did my PhD, and I have almost approximately more than 50 research papers in good journals. So till now, so many PhD scholars come to me. They just get their PhD thesis review from my side, and I give my inputs to them. So being a woman is not easy in this society. I think every one of you will agree with that. So every woman struggle in their life, whether it is a housewife, whether that lady is a professional lady. So being a lady is it's not easy, but being a lady, I think it's the strongest personality in the society as well. So what I feel is today the healthcare system is changing. There is a lot of, I can say, it is evolving nowadays. So due to the new innovations, due to the latest surgical equipments and the technology, advanced medical care, medical practices. So the achievement what you people are doing. So there is a famous quote that behind every recovery is a healthcare professional who never give up. And I think that really suits the profession which you are into. So this is not an end to the journey. This is just a new beginning to you all, so that you can provide the meaningful contribution to the society, to the healthcare system, to the best of the medical facilities which you can provide with the integrity and the ethics, the high standards of the healthcare medical facilities which you can provide with the loyalty, with the ethics, with the integrity and the excellence. So all the best to each of you. All the best for your career, all the best for your future endeavor. And I also give my best wishes to the hospital who is just taking this initiative of providing the skill based education. So, and also he just told me, Dr. Mishra just told me that approximately 15,000 participants have done this training from all over the world. That is the biggest achievement. And I think we need doctors like you. So this is not a profession, this is the dedication, the selfless service which you are providing to the society and the patients. So all the best to you all. Thank you. Thanks.
I would firstly like to thank Dr. Mishra and Dr. Balla for giving us such an amazing opportunity to be able to improve our skills as well as the correct way to do it. We've been doing it in, I would feel, not the exact way as it should be done, but here we have been given practical knowledge as well as backed up with amazing theoretical knowledge, which is the way it should move forward. So thank you so much for giving us that opportunity to learn and improve our skills. Thank you so much.
Honorable Sir, Mr. Mishra Sir and Valla Sir also. I came here just think.
Introduce yourself first.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Kanchan Singh from KGMC King George Medical College from Lucknow, and right now I'm associate professor there, and that way I'm thinking I'm good surgeon, good gynecologist, but after coming here, I am nothing belonging anywhere. And first of feel here, knowledge of Mishra sir and Dr. Balla sir is just beyond the expectation. And World Laparoscopic Hospital, I feel here personally, World Laparoscopic family here. So every staff and Bubble ma'am and everyone, so like a family and very take care, very personally thing, every small thing we take care properly. And I feel ki it's my beginning here and coming on and on. Thank you so much. Sir.
Afternoon. I'm Dr. Ahilya and I'm from Kerala. I've just completed my post-graduation and senior residency, and it was my husband. He's a general surgeon. He's also doing laparoscopy, but he didn't get an opportunity to come here and get himself trained from Dr. Mishra sir. But it was he made me come here as soon as I completed my senior residency. I was not sure that I have to come here because it is because of the distance and all. But I'm so happy that I came, and I'm so proud that I was trained by Dr. Mishra sir and Balla sir. And I thank everyone, which includes right from the reception when I came. It was a warm welcome. Everybody, I don't know the name of everyone, but thank you for everything, for every experience, for the wet lab, and above all, your patience. Thank you, sir.
Hello, I'm Dr. Minu Chue from Myanmar. I'm one of the professor from the University of Medicine, Yangon. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all the mentors and professors and all the colleagues for this amazing training. As part of the member of the World Laparoscopy Hospital. It is I got many experiences, knowledge, and skills updated in not only in laparoscopy but also the electrosurgical unit and all the do's and don'ts that we face in our clinical practice. I'm sure that the knowledge and experiences gained from this course will be of great help in our future career and for the sake of the people. Thank you.
Some of you from you. Thank you for this opportunity. To be honest, sometimes you just feel you don't find the words actually to describe things. And that's probably one of the moments that I am in that situation, honestly. I am a consultant. I work in London, in King's College Hospital, NHS Foundation Trust, specifically in Princess Royal University Hospital. Coming to this course was a little bit of a reluctant decision initially, because I am beyond basically my training. I always wanted to come here to do this course during my training. However, I couldn't. And I was wondering whether it's still I need to do that. And I made that decision because I have time off and I had some budget kind of money to do it. But honestly and truly, I have to say, I'm not regretting that decision whatsoever. It was very useful, very thorough. I've been to courses, obviously, as part of my training for the laparoscopic side. I do TLHs and everything, if you wonder. But literally, I learned new things in this course, and I'm really grateful for everything that you have done. Yourself, Dr. Bella, and everyone. We really learned a lot from all of you. And I truly say to all the Indians, you should really be proud that you have such institution and you have such course in a very, I think, affordable as well manner as well. So I'm very grateful. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Kevin. I'm a surgeon from Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. And first of all, I would like to say that this is a very extraordinary experience for me coming to this course and joining this fellowship, having met Prof. Mishra and Dr. Bala, because I practiced surgeon for about 3 years, and I focus mainly on minimal invasive or minimal, in this case, minimal access surgery. But in this fellowship, I gain different yet very extraordinary perspective regarding skill, knowledge, and attitude toward performing minimal access surgery towards our patients. So for me, this was a very, very, very good experience, and I will definitely encourage many surgeons out there to join this course. And also, I hope that World Laparoscopy Hospital continue to grow and continue to breed new surgeons and new gynecologists out there that can do minimal access surgery to be better. So once again, thank you very much for Dr. Mishra and Dr. Bala and all of our World Laparoscopy Hospital staff to have provided this opportunity for me.
Good afternoon, dear esteemed senior colleagues, dear guests, senior fellows and friends. It's a great honor to be here, that I participated in this wonderful course. I actually, before I came, I was thinking just is like an ordinary course. But once I came and I participated and I saw, what admired me was the structured comprehensiveness of both the lectures, the practical sessions, and I do recommend the course for everyone. When I return back, I do recommend this course for my young friends and colleagues in surgery, because a surgeon nowadays could not be regarded as an efficient surgeon without doing minimally access operations. So thank you very much for this opportunity. I hope you grow further in the minimal access and robotic surgery courses. And thank you for all our friends. Thank you very much.
All of you. I'm very grateful to you, sir, ma'am. You're a part of this. I am really spellbound. I don't know how should I thank you people. Well, myself, Priyanka. I'm working as consultant in Cloud9 chain of hospitals, basically in Chandigarh. My MD was from PGI, then SRship from GMC, and MBBS was from PGI Rohtak. So, in spite of having gone through 3 big institutes in North, I was really never exposed to what you taught us. It's strange to say this. I have been witnessing and assisting, doing surgeries in my GRship as well as SRship, whatever, how much ever they offer. But during the entire tenure, we were never taught as a curriculum these basic details of Laparo as you teach us here. Honestly, when I was joining this course, I wasn't expecting much from it. But after coming here, it feels like every penny was worth it. And what else should I say? Especially says jokes in between the lectures that keep us awake. The realistic jokes, and they are a big, I'll say rather, they are a life lesson also. They are in a comedy form, but some of the words I really got to, like, I'm gonna catch them and carry them throughout my life as a lesson, what you said. And the most important thing of this course I felt was it's pretty well organized. Every day, at the end of the day, you feel like you know everything or not. But definitely next day, you feel like, okay, this was never told to us. It's like starting all over again. So you're learning every day a new thing, which in spite of this 9-10 years of medical education, you feel like we were doing a lot in hospitals, working our ass off, but still we didn't know these basic things. The very basic things were not exposed to us. We were not exposed to them. As a SR in North, I think pan-India, we are working a lot. Medical legal cases and all, emergencies, labor room, everything. But their consultants don't give us that much of opportunity to do things. All we are doing is see and learn. Learn in a passive way. Like nobody's actively teaching us the concepts the way you people teach us here. So it's like more than what I expected I have got here. And I really wish that I make the most of it and really turn out to be such person where people feel proud, okay, you were taught by my basic first milestone. The first step was laid by you. All of you, I mean. Thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much.
I am Dr. Thitin Yao from Gynecologist from Myanmar. It is a good opportunity to attend and this workshop in WLH. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Women Tan, gynecologist from Myanmar. I'm so happy to get opportunities to study at WLH. Thank you.
Nghệ lecturer from University of Medicine Yangon, Myanmar. Now I'm very happy to attend these classes. I want to share my knowledge in my country. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Nathanazo from Myanmar. This is the very effective course for all the surgeons and gynecologists who want to join the laparoscopy field. Thank you.
I'm Mishra from Myanmar. I've gained a lot of knowledge and experience from this course. I'm really happy there. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.